Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be showing the process how to apply for the Italy scholarships. These scholarships are offered by University of Milan and they are offered for undergraduate, masters and PhD. We'll show the detailed application. Before we proceed, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. If you are new here for the first time, please do like and subscribe. Do also follow us on Instagram page here. Our username is Full Scholarships. All scholarship related content is posted here. The link for this University of Milan Italy scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or Instagram page, Facebook, and the second website kashmirlook.com. On Instagram, you can directly message our team and ask for the link. Check out the stories or highlights, and links are also given there. You can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net. Once you land on this page here, you can read about the scholarship details. University of Milan offer for the session 2026-2027. So these scholarships will cover most of the expenses. Maybe some courses might be semi-funded or partially funded, but usually they cover almost all expenses. So these are offering the scholarship is offered by the University of Milan and it's publicly funded institution, and you can apply for bachelor's, master's and PhD. So if you already have admission, you can still apply for this scholarship, and if you're not having any admissions from the university, you can apply for the admissions first, then apply for the scholarship. No IELTS is required for this exam and this scholarship, and you can just submit the previous made of instructional certificate. And details regarding this, some courses might be partially funded. Deadline will be 30th of September. It's in Italy, Europe. Fields of study, depending on School of Exercise and Sports, and Faculty of Medicine, Veterinary Sciences, Science and Technology, Law. Almost all top major fields are there. Criteria will be you should have a bachelor's degree for masters, and masters and bachelor's for PhD, and for bachelor's you should have a high school degree. So besides this, documents you may need to submit: passport, transcripts, degree certificates, and the benefits will include the mobility support of 600 euros per month for 10 months, and travel expenses. These are the travel expenses that will be covered within the program, and female student will also receive 20% increase in their scholarship amount based on time to time, and students with eligible disabilities may also receive an increased amount. So depending on the criteria, certain criterias, there's a privilege for female candidates and disabled candidates, so they might get an increased stipend. How do you apply? Simply official website. There we have given this notification where all call details are mentioned here regarding notification regarding scholarship. So we have given the link here as well. So this is the PDF, but to start the application, scroll down, add, and click on this link here. And once you tap on that, it will take you to this official website where you can register or sign up, and you can tap on this English button here, and this page will be in English. For the first time users, if you are here for the first time, click on I don't have an account, and you have to register as an external. Now enter a username, create a username, and create a password, then confirm password, then first name, last name, your gender, confirm email, phone number, date of birth, and consent, then click on register. Once you do register, you'll receive this type of activation mail. So you have to activate your account, and once you activate your account, you will receive another email that your username, your email is this, and your first name and last name is this. Now we already have done this part, and you can see the call document here, this PDF, where all details, eligibility criteria, application procedure and deadlines are mentioned here. You can see by 30th September your scholarship application must be submitted. So if you do not have any offer from the institution, you can apply for the admissions first, and then you can apply for the scholarships as well. All details are mentioned here, and we'll show the process directly. Now we already have done this part here, so let me Just tap on this and simply log in. Click on English here, and I'll use the username and password here that I have created. Now uh, tap on login, and it will take you directly to the form. And you can see, if you wish to submit a request for benefits or modify an existing application or grants, everything is mentioned here. You can tap on this arrow here, and now uh, so now we have to mention all these details here, and we can submit the application. Click on personal details here, and then tap on per details here. So you'll have to mention all details like gender, date of birth, nation of birth. So you have to mention all details here. Now tap on save and next. Locality of birth, so you can mention save and next. Now political refugee, stateless or no. Say disability, so you can mention which country citizenship you have. And then any disabilities, handicap, then marital status, orphan or have both parents. So foster care, anything that may have with you, so you have to mention this. Then country of residence, then locality, then address you can mention, and then click on save and next. Contact details, use the residence address, you can mention yes. Tap on save and next. So you have to complete this section. So we'll go there, click on degree education here. Enrollment stats, I already paid the first installment. I have not, I have an internal transfer. So if you have got the offer, you need to just submit the scholarship application. You need to mention one of these. But if you have not received an admission offer yet, you can apply. So we have already done, we have received the offer letter, and we'll be submitting the scholarship application here. So there you can see degree type, we'll go with the master's. Diploma, here you can see cyber security. Program year, so first year. Stats, student on track, campus Milano. Country of origin, where you have completed your bachelor's degree. University of origin, and then academic qualification, then save and next. uh, then academic year of first year enrollment in a second cycle, here you have to mention academic in which, do you already a second cycle degree in Italy? So no, we do not have. Tap on save and next. Interruption, never. Save and next. Simultaneous enrollment in two courses, no. Save and next. Now choice of benefits, you can see university accommodations, you can mention scholarship, regional scholarship, special grant, subside rate, you can mention all these. Save and next. You have to fill this income statement. Does your family unite uh, residence in Italy? So no. In a calendar year 2024, we received no. Save and next. Are you only, so no. You can add family member here, so you can just say yes and no. And then qualifications, indicate your status, graduate already, bachelor's. Now student stats, where is your family resident in state, where your, no, in other state they are. Then choose which, more than 90. Then save and next. uh, are you have a permanent employee, part time? So no. And you can see different preference of halls. So for accommodation, you have to choose. We'll just give and click on save and next. Okay, all have available halls have to be submitted here. So in any of these halls, you'll receive accommodation. Save and next. International mobility. No. Save and next. Okay. Program type. If you're Erasmus scholarship, you can mention that, but we'll be mentioning other DSU scholarship. University Milano. Start date by December 2027, 2026. End date December 2028. Save and next. Now save and next. So we can go. Here you can see I declare all details. Click on confirm submission. Click on confirm. And you can see submission confirmed. Check the summary. Here is the application summary. And in case you have any confusions, uh, you can ask us in the comment section, or you can directly go to help desk here. And if you don't have if you don't have the offer for the admissions yet, you can register for the courses first. That can be done through this link here. And you can simply register here. We already have done registration. So here you can see University of Milan, and it's in Milano, Italy. And you can see there you can study any of the courses like masters, bachelors, and how to enroll degree program students, all explore undergraduate programs or masters programs. You can see different programs here. For example, you'll go with this one here. This is the bachelor's undergraduate program, UG program. You can directly go for masters. And enrollment, admission and enrollment, you can see uh, call is also open right now starting from 15. So we are the first on the YouTube to bring you this opportunity. You can read the call or click on enrollment here, and you can simply register for this with same details that we signed up. You can register for the admission first, then apply for the scholarships. And you can see, so we don't have to mention tax code because it will be automatically calculated. So let me refresh this. You'll have to mention your preferred course, bachelor's, master's, PhD, whatever, so you can see. Next, it will be automatically considered here. So you can fill this form here for the bachelor's, master's, or PhD. Same process. In case your confusions are here, you can see you'll receive an email as well. You can see the text code as well. You can let me copy this text code here, and if I refresh this, maybe we'll be able to proceed for the next step in this, because text code is required. Let me refresh this page again, and then you can go without text code as well. It will be automatically considered from your first name and last name and your country of residence. Let me just tap on next, and let's wait for it. Tap on next. This page is not loading fully because there is some issue. You can see some icons are not showing up properly as well. So this actually the process is somewhat similar. You don't have to have anything special here, just basic form. Proceed with the details and simply submit. This text code is not required, it will be generated automatically. And you can see likewise, in case of any confusions, directly go to our website fullscholarships.net. There on the right hand side Instagram support, tap on this, it will take you our page here where you can connect with our support assistant and they'll guide you, because this will be linking the source page where you have been redirected from. So it's better to visit our website fullscholarships.net. There you can connect with us. That's it for today. I'm signing off of fullscholarships.net. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.